gonna record the fighting. No fighting, guys. I'm surprised there's so many of them and they're actually not fighting, you know?
Yeah.
Boys.
They're so cute.
You know,
I don't
when
know if this is like electric fence or not.
I'm gonna go see the cows.
I'm like scared to touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it, just in case. We're gonna have to go soon because. But honey, we were getting like Hi, babies. Hi. Mama and a baby, maybe, or two friends. Hi. Hello.
Hi, babies.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh, Lama's still watching me. Look at this. Oh,
Yeah, that thing's just
oh, she's watching me. She's guarding the
somebody's
the goats.
me.
Yeah.
It's
Seriously. Oh, hello there. Look at them.
Mom, it's standing up.
And Mama, it's coming to me. Hi. Hi, baby Mama. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi.
It's a side-eyeing you.
Side-eyeing me a little bit. Look at this goat looking for us from there.
Yeah, because the hay, there's like
I know.
bees and then they're eating it.
Hi,
So cute.
honey.
And then there's like,
Yeah, they're sweet.
no, if I could name it, I named that one like